To mindful making and moving. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about taking time out for yourself because I know a lot of us have been at home working, helping kids, donating masks, and it can get a little overwhelming, plus just kind of being stuck at home with that cabin fever. And so today I want to share with you a DIY scrub idea. And there are lots of those out there, but I want you to think about it from the perspective of being mindful about your resources. This is one of those times when it's a little difficult to run to the store and find special items, but I want to show you that you can do something like this really easily at home with what you already have. So basically for a scrub, you need some kind of an oil and some kind of a scrub. And it could be salt or sugar or even things like almond meal. So once again, just whatever you have. And there are benefits, of course. You can research if you're interested about using different things like sea salt, or I've used turbinado sugar before, and of course they might have some other minerals and fun things in there. But when it comes down to it right now, let's just focus on what we've got. So I'm going to use olive oil, and my favorite is actually brown sugar because it gives a nice scrub, but it's also gentler. The other thing I've noticed is that the salt scrubs, they're more abrasive, and also if you have any kind of cuts, they don't feel very good on your skin. If you happen to have measuring spoons, I experimented a little bit and I found that 1 tablespoon of scrub and 1 teaspoon of oil is a nice ratio. This doesn't have to be exact by any means. So if all you have are your kitchen spoons, try those and it'll be just fine because it's not going to hurt if you have more oil or more scrub. So I have a little container. You can use whatever you have, and I'm just going to put about a tablespoon of the sugar and then a teaspoon of oil. And you could even do this just right in your hands if you're going to do it right away. And if you wanted more so that you could use it several times, it keeps really well, and you could just up the percentage and do like a cup of sugar and 1/3 of a cup of oil. So you just want it to kind of come together. Once again, there's not like a perfect thing that you need to try for here. And then I like to get my hands a little bit wet first and just kind of shake it off. The other nice thing about the sugar is it does dissolve faster than the salt. You can just pour into your hands, and then here's where I want you to think about experiencing the texture and the feel and the smell. That's one thing that I love so much about the brown sugar is it smells so good. And of course, if you have them, you could add essential oils if you want. And then also think about the movement and giving yourself a little bit of a massage here. Chances are that your hands have been working really hard, and they're also probably really dry from all the hand washing that we've been doing. So give your hands some love. Give your palms some massage your fingers. My cuticles get ragged, so I like to pay a little extra attention to them. And then when you're ready, you can rinse this off with warm water. And if you want to make it extra special, then you can finish with some lotion.